The crypto market is going up big league right now. The CEO of crypto.com is tweeting out that $70,000 Bitcoin is boring, and that makes him bullish. And we see this exchange, crypto.com, adding yet more partnerships in Korea. And now they're talking about expanding into Korea and launching an application for users in Korea to start using as well. There's more developments going on with this ecosystem than some of the others out there, but in general, crypto's doing well right now, and crypto is going up. We believe in crypto.com here on this channel, and CRO Coin. We're going to talk about what the price updates are for you guys today on CRO, and some of this news that we're seeing from the CEO of this exchange, and the breaking news moves that are going on for crypto.com in Korea. Welcome to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about CRO and some of the news in this space. If you're new to the channel, welcome, guys. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you want to. About 50% of the people watching this video right now aren't going to subscribe, just so you know. Subscribing is free, no commitment. You just get more content. So tap it up, guys, and check it out. Now, Bitcoin today is at $72,000 and change. We got almost to $73,000 today, and crypto overall is doing well. We do see some altcoins exploding today. XRP is finally getting a move, which is very good for any of the XRP holders out there, but we're not seeing a lot of crazy explosions right now. Really, altcoins, all things considered, are relatively tame. Yes, 20% gains for altcoins are very tame. Just the other day, we saw Shiba Inu up like 100% in 24 hours. That is a little bit manic. So yes, Bitcoin and crypto seem to be boring at $70,000. We do not see mania right now. We don't see people going crazy right now. $70,000, and it's just so strange to say, doesn't feel special. Even though these are the highest prices we've ever seen. Now, he tweeted this out on March 10th, just a couple days ago, and today I feel the very same way. Even though we hit $73,000, I think that people aren't going to go crazy until the media starts going crazy over it, and maybe until we hit about $100,000 Bitcoin. I don't really know exactly how that's going to play out. But we do believe here that crypto.com has done a tremendous job of growing during the bear market. In fact, here's another example of how they're continuing to move forward. Outside of the fact they're already one of the most regulatory compliant exchanges and expanded like crazy during the bear market, they're still going, guys. Crypto.com is now eyeing expansion into Korea. Yesterday, I talked about how they just partnered up with a luxury retailer out in Korea, and now they're talking about actually launching their exchange app in Korea for the first half of this year. So soon, this would be coming very soon. They're in 90 countries with more than 80 million global users. They have half the amount of users as Binance, but the market cap is so much lower, guys. Binance Smart Chain versus Kronos Chain. These are good competitors to measure against each other. Crypto.com is an exchange versus Binance is an exchange. That is good to measure against each other. Clearly, Binance is much bigger. They have more market share. But I think there's an argument to be made that CRO Coin could catch up. And at the current prices for Binance, if CRO was to achieve the market cap of Binance at current prices, you're looking at a $3 CRO, guys. A $3.02 CRO. 18x from here. If it hits the Binance all-time high, which might even be possible, we could see a $4.16 CRO. I have some people starting to talk about $8 CROs in my chat. I don't know if that's possible. I've been talking about a $2 to $5 CRO. That's the price targets I'm going to stick with, and it's for many reasons. Looking at the wittiness of Chris Marszalek and how much he's communicating with the team, he's accepting DMs from users. This is incredible. They're expanding into new markets. They've already got so many users. They've got such great branding that I think when crypto starts going wild and FOMO starts coming in from retail investors, everyday people, whether, you're talking to somebody in a restaurant that you don't know or at the office or a cousin or an uncle, when they start FOMOing into crypto, which really arguably hasn't happened yet, I do think that Crypto.com is going to be the onboarding platform of choice for folks. I really do. And here is another reason why I'm so bullish on Kronos. Outside of this awesome partnership, I want to remind you guys this. Looking at DeFi and total value locked up in the ecosystem, yes, Crypto.com's Kronos chain has been slipping right now at rank number 16 when it comes to total value locked up in the ecosystem. But note, guys, they're at $495 million for a very long time. They were in the mid $350 million range. It is growing. It is growing. And when you also look at the amount of protocols on the chain, it is one of the top chains when you look at the number of protocols, still top 11. And it's very, very important to note that, guys. What I also want you to know is there's a couple obvious winners here, okay? Solana has been an obvious winner. Bitcoin DeFi, an obvious winner. Obviously, Ethereum is going to continue to be a winner. Maybe there's going to be some more gains on some altcoins because Ethereum's such a big market cap, but obviously a winner. Well, what if you look at some of these other categories? Well, what about EVM chains? What are the biggest EVM chains? Well, Kronos is ranked number 12. There's a lot of good EVM chains. Some of these are probably going to be big winners, like Arbitrum, like Optimism, Avalanche, Polygon, a lot of hot names. Those are probably going to be good coins. Well, what if we look at, let's say, on the Bitcoin side chains? We talk a lot about Stacks. There's a reason we're bullish on Stacks, guys. Rootstock and Stacks are number 1 and 2 in terms of things being built on Bitcoin. Stacks is arguably much bigger from an actual DeFi perspective. The applications are more popular, more complex, and actually going to give more application use cases, I believe, from Stacks. Please note that I got to learn more about Rootstock personally. Merlin Chain is the closest competitor to Stacks, and it's just not even close. 17 million versus 148. It has a lot of FUD behind it too. But there's a way to look at some of the big winners here. Well, Cosmos, what about on the Cosmos chains? Kronos is number 1, guys, by a long shot, almost double. I think Kronos is going to be very successful. Anybody that doesn't see that, you let me know in the comments down below. But just remember, guys, the previous market cap for Kronos was much bigger once upon a time, and the price was about 464x from here. Can we see these prices again? Well, I just showed you guys that I do think that it is possible. In the meantime, I am looking at some key levels, probably a little hiccup, maybe at 20 cents. If we blast through that, maybe 27 cents. We could see all the way up to 32 cents. Lickety split, guys. Why? Because Bitcoin is at all-time highs. Here's the previous all-time high. Sure, we might get some tests off the $69,000 price range, but arguably, guys, Bitcoin's in price discovery mode. Altcoins are still way undervalued compared to their previous bull market highs. Other coins like VeChain still got to go up. CRO Coin got to go up. A lot of coins. Solana's already up quite a bit from its previous highs, actually. And so there's some altcoins that still have yet to have a mega pump. Ethereum's already pumped quite a bit. Solana's pumped quite a bit. I think that Kronos' turn is next. And there's other coins out there like VeChain and others. I don't know why I'm picking VeChain today. I'm just talking about VeChain. Just as an example, look at these prices. They're very similar. A lot of altcoins have a very similar chart, and there's going to be a lot of good altcoins out there. I am very strong on Kronos personally. I hold a lot of CRO coins myself, 500,000 CRO coins to be exact, because I do believe this coin can go to not only $1. I think it can go to $2 to $5 in this bull market, guys. And I'm not changing my mind. Not for now. I'm holding. I'm strong. In fact, I'm dollar cost averaging into this market. I'm not adding any more CRO to my position. I already got such a big bag of that. But I am adding other coins because I believe more upward momentum can come to this market. Maybe we get a cool off period. But in the meantime, that's all I got, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA and HODL. And of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.